Welcome to part 3 of the Power Team Drill Down. This is the Power Team Roadmap. The Power Team Roadmap closely follows the Power Team Action Grid and is broken down into 3 phases, beginning with research and preparation. Research and preparation begins with you completing the 10 key question worksheet. In the Money on the Table book, there's a section that goes into detail on how to use the 10 key questions to clearly articulate your differentiated value and also clearly describe your target market. The idea is that the more succinct and descriptive we can be, the more accurately our networking partners will be able to repeat our message to the prospects they're talking to. So we begin with focusing on how you can answer the 10 key questions for maximum impact. Next, we go to the Connector to Creator worksheet. As you saw on the prior webinar, the Connector to Creator worksheet helps us identify your top 3 key situations, and then under those key situations, uncover the Golden Goose referral sources that are going to be strong Power Team partners, and also the visual and audio cues that we can use to describe and recognize our targeted prospects. Once we've worked through the Connector to Creator worksheet for ourselves, we can then begin to match with our Power Team on key situations, Golden Goose referral sources, and targeted prospects that we share. This is how we begin to connect with business categories from other contact spheres, other industries that on the surface appear to have nothing to do with our business. But when we look a little deeper, we see that we actually share the same target market, but from a slightly different orientation. In the Power Team Certified system, we show each of the contact spheres how to make their entire network visible from the viewpoint of their target market. So we'll just leave it at that for today and move along by saying that the way to move out of phase 1 of research and preparation is to begin moving through the Power Team Action Grid now with your current Power Team members. So the 10 key questions and Connector to Creator worksheet were done on your own for your business, and now you begin to sit down with your networking partners, going through the various steps of the Power Team Action Grid with your current Power Team members. Now, all of the worksheets that we're talking about can be downloaded on the moneyonthetablebook.com website. The second phase of your roadmap is promotional and group activity. In this section is clearly identified on the Power Team Action Grid. You begin to identify, connect, and build your Power Team with the top open business categories. And again, you remember the Power Team roster that we showed you on a prior webinar is one of the tools that we use to make a clear path, a clear roadmap on which business categories we need to have a well-rounded Power Team to attract the best quality and highest number of referrals. And then the second phase of promotional and group activity is systematically making the network visible to attract referrals. This is a science in itself. The idea is that if the network is visible, prospects will recognize themselves in the products and services offered and will ask for the contact information or in some way raise their hand and say, I'd like to do business with one of your Power Team partners. And then finally, the third phase of your roadmap is to get out there and start being a bragging buddy. That begins with you recognizing the 6 key situations as referral opportunities. Can you rattle off the 6 key situations right now? If not, go back and study them, because anytime someone experiencing one of the 6 key situations crosses your path, you're standing in the middle of a referral opportunity. Once you've recognized those referral opportunities, you can use trigger questions to uncover consumer needs and give compelling bragging buddy testimonials to create referrals. So we talked about trigger questions earlier. We talked about being a bragging buddy. The idea in phase 3 is to not only recognize opportunity, but to seize it, give compelling testimonials, and create referrals. So we have some different tools and systems to help support your Power Team experience, beginning with the Power Team Leadership Council. The Power Team Leadership Council is a live, interactive, 60-minute Power Team coaching. I do this and I take your questions about your Power Team. I give you answers that you can implement on the Money on the Table system. So again, we're talking about a live, interactive, 1-hour group Power Team coaching where you can bring your questions about your Power Team, and I'll do my best to give you guidance on using the Money on the Table system to build your Power Team. There's no charge for the Power Team Leadership Council. This is something that I do every Saturday from 1 to 2 p.m. Pacific. If you can't make the Power Team Leadership Council, we do archive the webinars on our website. In addition to the Power Team Leadership Council, we have the Power Team Certified Training System. This is a 16-week training program for BNI chapters committed to building successful power teams and dramatically increase referral activity and closed business with the Money on the Table Power Team Blueprint. So Power Team Certified includes 16 Power Team training webinars. These webinars also include specific Power Team blueprints for all 6 contact spheres. So essentially what we do throughout the Power Team Certified training is we have special Power Team drill downs for each of the contact spheres that get into all of the specifics that we've mentioned in this 3-part introductory Power Team Drill Down webinar series. In addition to the training webinars, there are 17 Education Coordinator 2-minute presentations. The presentations can be extended if the networking group has more time for the Education Coordinator, but these 2-minute slots are engineered to support the 16 webinars and the ongoing training system. In addition to the Education Coordinator presentations, Power Team Certified includes 5 BNI Director 10-minute presentations. Now, each of these presentations includes interactive exercises and takeaway worksheets. Very powerful presentations that work hand in hand again with the Education Coordinator and the webinars. We have a free introductory offer to our friends in BNI. The offer is the first of the 17 Education Coordinator 2-minute Power Team presentations, as well as the first of 5 BNI Director 10-minute presentations. The idea here is that we would like to introduce the Power Team Certified system into your BNI chapter, and we can do that by helping train the trainer with some tools that we've posted to the website. On the website, we have a BNI member page. The ID is BNI, all caps. This is a password protected page on the website. So the ID is BNI, all caps, and the password is referral, all lowercase. Once you're on the page, you'll see Train the Trainer presentation number 1 for BNI directors and for education coordinators. Go ahead and complete the training. Includes a webinar as well as a worksheet. Then afterwards, complete the survey so we can get your feedback. And then you will be armed and dangerous and ready to get out there into your BNI chapters and present the education coordinator slot as well as the first of the 5 10-minute presentations for BNI directors to introduce the Money on the Table Power Team Certified system on a chapter level. All we ask is that you please let us know where you plan to give the presentation. All of the information that we've talked about on these webinars can be found on the website, moneyonthetablebook.com. And I thank you very much for your interest in the Money on the Table book. the Power Team drill down information that we shared with you today. I hope it was helpful, and I very much look forward to networking with you and helping make your Power Team successful and profitable for you and all of your networking partners. Thanks again.